Boy, and now we're gonna go live. He said we live, baby. No, but shorty, I am so damn tired. Cause now you already worked out. And damn, bro, I'm trying to tell you, bro, my camera look a $2,000 computer, and I can't look like Kim Kardashian, bro. Live. He said, baby. Like what? No, bro, shorty, I am so damn tired. Cause now you already worked out. Boom. No screen. I'm already knowing, brother. But I need you to share that link and send it to me so I can share it out there. Put it out there. You see. Oh. uh You got your mic on, brother?
Yep.
All right, let me look for this link real quick.
Which link?
I'm trying to find it. That should be good. All right. Period I, period, period I, period, period I, period, period I, period, period. That should be having me tweaking. All right, high beta controls. Bro, I don't think USD JPY gonna keep going down. Well, it is consolidating though. That's the ugh. Ugh. Live for a minute. Let's try. Next question. Try. A journey with 1,000 miles begins with a single step, my nigga. Period I, period period I, period What's the word, my boy? What's the word? Brother. Cap a lot. Nah, come on. Ugh. Just ugh. Ugh. Never is my computer on 10%. This is why I need my desktop. Brother Canal, you can hear me?
Yep.
You hear me?
Yep.
You must be around family. I was gonna say, remind me to go and offer up and order this freaking desktop table, bro. Cause I need to get the setup going. Because your boy can't be on this computer, boy. Try to keep what was I gonna say? Lost my train of thought. Stay in tune with the chat because I can't see it right now. I gotta get used to going live and doing it from Zoom. All right, KB.
Mm-hmm.
Period I, period period I. Love you, my boy. When brother touched down, you already know we popping bottles. It's Mr. Schleimster. No, but let's lock in. So y'all just make sure y'all asking questions or anything, bro. You feel me? For anybody that ain't used to this, that don't even know what we doing. But I just want to go live because me and Kanar, obviously, we were just on some, bro, let's trade New York session. But obviously it opened like 45 minutes ago. But this is the best time to open it. In about 15 minutes, this is the best time to trade it. The volume slows down, or the volume is actually like, it's just, how can I say it? It's not too much fake outs. So yeah, you don't want to get faked out in this type of shit, bro, because you'll go crazy. Period period period. So what you thinking, Canal? What pair you want to look at?
GJ.
I hate that hoe. When I see her, I'm beating the fuck out of her. I'm talking about GJ, bro. I ain't talking about no girl. I'm not no woman beater. I actually be getting my eyes by women. Psych. Fuck I look like. What the hell? Bro, what? What? When did this happen, bro? What the All right, you know what? No, because we've been taking too many. We finna remark this shit. Hold on. Teach y'all how to mark some charts. Now, how you sleep, boy? You heard me?
Mm-hmm.
I said, how you sleep?
So good.
You said good. Yo, I sound like you trying to hide from your mom when she said get up for school. She gonna come in there on some Bendari. Bendari. Bro, this was just ugly. All right, so obviously I mark my supply and demands, my supported resistances up on a higher time frame. So weekly, daily, and probably like the 4 hour time frames for the intradays. Intradays just mean like what's happening in between, like throughout the day, you feel me? So I go from the body. I go from the body where there's a lot of volume. Hold on, this my dudes. Hello? I ain't gonna lie, I'm live right now, Ma. All right, love you. You bald headed. She gonna beat me. Or just have on the chart. I deleted everything, brother. I deleted everything, bro. I'm remarking everything up because the way, bro, I hate when the chart just look like, what is that? Like, you feel me? Like, what are we looking at? But I'm about to show you how I mark it up. So I go from the body. So you see how these black lines, these are black lines right here. These are called wicks. When you see the body, that's when you actually see like the candle like fill in. Like basically that's when you see this little bar right here. It's actually color. So you go from where the color actually had a lot of, basically when the color was just like, it was just a long bar. So let me give you an example. You see how this was a red candle right here? This little one right there. The one that I got highlighted. That's a rejection candle, but it's like it just rejected. It never like actually turned around and just shot down. You feel me? And this is just talking about resistances. Now I'm gonna give you an example of a candle that I like looking at where there's a lot of volume in there. Look at this one, how they were just a big shot down. You feel me? This is just a better candle than this. And then obviously I just go from the top of that body. Damn, I look rough, but I don't care. I go from the top of that body. What's the word, Nicholas? Oh, what's the word? I go from the top of that body and I just put my little I put my little horizontal line, or I put like a vertical line, not a vertical line, but a horizontal ray. It's just a tool that you use just to make it look good. So when it comes to like trading and shit, bro, you really you want to make shit simple as possible, bro, because it's already gonna get to the point where it's just like it's messing with your mind if you got too much going on. So you want to make shit look as simple as possible and go from there. So obviously I got all my time frames up here. I told you I mark my support and resistances on a weekly, daily, and a 4 hour. So with the weekly, I mean, that's probably the only one that I see, because other than that, I mean, I see another weekly. I see another weekly down here, but it's like, it's not really that much vol. It's not, that candle wasn't really like a big shot up. So I ain't gonna really mark that. So I'm gonna go down to the daily. And oh my gosh, bro, these last couple months have been horrible, bro. When you see the market just going up and down like this, and it's just like a lot of wicks, a lot of black lines. Let me try to dummy it down for y'all. It's just, ugh. You don't want to be in the markets during that time, because I was getting my ass patched. Now, when the market looks like this and it's just trending up, bro, like this, you could make so much money. So much money. You can make money doing these markets too, but it's just not this right here. Not all of this. This right here, bro, we lost so much money, boy. But it happens, bro. It happens. So I'm gonna mark these dailies. Look right here. Here goes a good example. Period I, period period I. Trying to see. I want to say right here. So where I got this level from, it's right here. So obviously, as you're seeing, we got support right here, some consolidation. We got support. So this is just a nice key level that you want to basically mark up. Put that as my daily. And I'm gonna try to do this quick so we can get to the trading part. We got another one. Look how much volume came in right here. That's why I got this daily. Look how much volume came in right there. It's a nice little level because it instantly rejected and just went up. Obviously, it's a nice key level because we got support, but we got resistance, resistance, resistance. When resistance is broken, you want to look for it to come back and retest and show support. So look, we broke this resistance. This is just like little things about trading that I'm just trying to talk to y'all about. Just try to make it seem like, yeah, this really isn't that hard. The only hard part is the psychological part. So we got resistance that was broken right here. So actually, when you're seeing it come back down, we're looking for it to show support. See how it shows support right here? Could have took a nice little trade around this level once we seen that it came back down. I can show you another example. When resistance was broke right here, when it came back down, we could look for it to show support. Boom. Obviously, you would have lost around here unless you actually are an advanced trader. You would have been like, hey, wait, we want to wait a little bit. But obviously, it broke back again, so to show support, 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 support. So this is where you would have been buying a lot. And obviously, this is where you would have been selling a lot. But other than that, man, I ain't gonna really lecture y'all too much on this teaching part. But that's just a little simple part about it. I'm gonna try to mark some more up real quick and then get to trading, see if we can find a trade. Yeah, period. Ooh, period. All right. You see how that look more simple, bro? Mank, I don't know if you're still on here. You see how this looks more simple rather than what the beginning looks like? How there's not too much going on. Like now, basically, long story short, I'm looking for, you see how this support level got broken over here? See how this showed hella support and it just broke right through? Now I'm looking forward to retest this level on a higher time frame, like maybe like a 4-hour time frame. It is at the 50 in May on a 4-hour, but I don't care. I ain't gonna lie, I lost a lot thinking that it was gonna reject off of there. Damn, Canal doesn't have a lower wick. You think it could come back right here? It could do one of these. How it went up, come back and retest, and then go back up. Because look how we got resistance over here on a lower time frame. Let me see if I can find something. Find some. Oh yeah, look at the supply level on a 30-minute. Hold on, I see that one. And then I see, let me see. I see that one. That's rejecting. It's on a 30-minute. Coming back to retest. Made a new low on a 5-minute. Hell yeah, bro. What the fuck? Excuse my language, y'all, for y'all that's on here, but man. Yeah, brother, like, trying to make it as simple as possible. So a lot of people, I mean, it is buying heavy right now. So you want to like watch out. Like this is really like I say this is like a B type setup, bro. B type setup mean like you got an A setup, a B type setup, and I don't really want to talk about no C type setup. Just like it's a good trade, but like what's the probability? Like when it comes to this trade and stuff, bro, it has to do all about probability. You're not gonna always be right. And as I talk to y'all, bro, I'll be teaching myself still too, because I'll be having problems with like risk management and stuff like that still. If you know you're not gonna always be right, why risk so much? But it's a journey, bro. It's a journey. I've been in this shit for like 2 years now, bro. Waiting for it to really all just take off like crazy, like a rocket. You got a rocket? Let me see. I want to really take a trade right now, but Let me see. Oh, what you call that? What type of gap? A fucking trying to see what type of gap that is.
Fair value gap.
You see it right here though? The one that we didn't really miss it, but it's in. We're gonna try to see. I don't even risk that much, bro. Let's see if we can come back. Let's see if we can come back. We're gonna take it to. So basically, before I even enter a trade, right? You want to have a proper entry and you want to have a proper stop loss. And then you want to have an exit plan. Like, where am I looking to exit? So obviously I'm entering on the 5 minute with GJ, that's Great Britain to Japan. So you got yeah, like I said, you got Great Britain to Japan, you got their currency, the pound, or what is it? Y'all ain't even gonna know what that means. Basically, I'm just looking for a nice entry. I'm looking for the best high probability entry to make money on. I'm looking for resistance or support. Am I looking to sell or am I looking to buy? Long story short. So, like I was saying, I'm looking right now. GJ was selling off pretty bad, but previously we made a new high right here. You feel me? And I'm trying to pay attention to the chat as much as I can, but we good. So we made a new high on a 4-hour time frame. So with that being said, I don't want to look for too many sales right now until we get to this this previous support level that should show resistance. The reason I say that is because, like I said before, when it comes to supporting resistances, whenever resistance is broke, that means we should be looking for it to show support. Whenever support, obviously right here, is broke, we should look for it to retest and show resistance. You feel me? So look, I'm gonna give y'all one more example before we try to enter this trade. We got support right here, right? We were broke. We broke that support over here. So once we seen that it broke support right there, and we know that there was previous support over here, we're looking for it to retest and then sell back off. It's literally that easy. All right, Kana. It's literally that easy, bro. So obviously you've seen that once it broke, it came back to retest. Look at the amount that it actually dropped. This is about, that's crazy. I don't even know what happened with that. Let me see if I can go back and look at that. Try to clean the charts up for y'all. So look, we're gonna go down to the lower time frame because that's what I trade on. Look at the trend line with that, bro. Like, that's easy. We know that we're looking for sales around this level. Don't try to do too much. Let's see if we can find a nice entry for a sale. So, like I said, it sold off right here, came back up to retest. I want to look for this level right here to get broken before I look for anything. If I miss it, I miss it. So we're gonna go. So it broke. So we're gonna try to look for a nice little retest to take a sale. It kind of rejected right there. So we're gonna either put a sell under here, we're gonna wait for it to come up. And I go with buy stops and sell stops. And yeah, I don't think we would have been able to catch this unless we got a buy stop. I mean, unless we got a sell stop. That means like once it hits, it just hits. Because that's too many pips. I don't risk no more than 10 to 15 pips. So, oh, look at the retest right there. What time is it? 10:20? Okay, bet. That's a nice retest. Yeah, there's no way to catch this type of trade. There must have been news that came out. If you know what pips is, if you know what, basically when you enter in the trade and how much you're risking, when it comes to like lot sizes and stuff, bro, There's literally no way to catch this unless you lower your lot size and all types of stuff like that. But god damn. Like literally, look at the risk to reward. That's like, So we're gonna wait. It must have been some news. Yeah, like come on, this don't just happen like this, bro. This had to be some news. So I can't even give y'all a real trade or a real example. But obviously, you seen like, hey, it came back to retest. We already know we're looking for sales, and it did drop. Other than that, like this is a good enough trade for me. Even entering up here, bro. And if this is like a 10 pip trade or whatever, taking it down to this support, that's 200 pips right there. But I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even gonna fake it to y'all. It's hard to catch these type of trades. You shouldn't even be in the markets during this time because, bro, it could easily go the opposite way too. And you could be like, oh, I wanted to sell, and keep losing. And then when it eventually sell, you out of money. Long story short. But yeah, that's just an example of like support and resistance and showing like, hey, this is how it works. We're gonna skip through, go back to where it's at right now. So I was looking for sales today. Just that it's a low probability trade, but it's still possible. So the same thing that just happened over here, right? That I found over here. I'm looking for the 5 minute to break previous low, which I don't see one yet. There's a low right here. So once it breaks this low, I'm gonna look for it to come back and retest, and then we'll take the sell. I was gonna call this a low, but nah, that's not really valid for me. So if it doesn't happen, then long story short, we're just gonna wait for it to come back down. When it comes back down, I'm gonna look for buys because we broke previous resistance. And down here, now that we broke resistance, we should be looking for support. So we just gotta look for somewhere in this area